Before we start this video, guys, there's a little giveaway because JUULing absolutely sucks.
And when you're done watching this video, you'll know why. So watch the whole fucking thing, and at the end, we'll tell you all about this giveaway.
Fuck you! PAX! PAX! What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck is this? This is bullshit!
We know you guys started this whole Salt Nick craze. Vapors everywhere, normal people everywhere, they're all down for that shit.
Yeah, it's super simple. You just buy it, plug it in, and you're good to go. It sounds great, doesn't it?
Yeah. And we have you to thank for that. So,
thank you.
Thank you. But that's the only thanks you're going to get from us in this
Exactly.
video.
Fuck you, actually.
Before we get too angry, let's talk about the good things about it real quick.
Okay.
Because there's
fine.
not many.
Fine. The good things about the JUUL. Super simple. You buy your pod, when it runs out, you throw it away, and you get a fresh one. Easy.
Throw it together. Next good thing and last good thing, they're very, very accessible. You can get them at pretty much any gas station, get pods for them pretty much anywhere. But that's the only good things about them. That you can get them really easily, and they're really easy to use.
So why does it suck, Nate?
The biggest reason that it sucks to me is that they fucking cost so much. The device itself costs more than most pod systems on the market, which
plus a bottle of juice.
Yes, which is so stupid because it's literally the least complex. It has the smallest battery. Just everything about it is the worst.
Exactly, and you're gonna lose it in a week anyways.
Yeah. So, therefore. Why the fuck are you spending $45, $50 on a starter kit?
No, exactly. And PAX, look at what you've done. You've infiltrated almost every high school across America. So I guess, congratulations.
Congrats. You figured out how to bend the law so that you get a lot of fucking money.
It's bullshit. You know, and we get it. You know, if you're going to do something, I'd rather you vape than you smoke a cigarette. I'm going to say that flat out right.
You should not get into vaping if you don't already smoke cigarettes. If you're not trying to quit nicotine, you should not be vaping.
No.
I mean, it's a personal choice. So if you do it, fine. I'm not that mad about it. Go do your own shit. You're probably going to help us out a little bit because we'll get a little more views.
Exactly.
But I did it. I started vaping and I ended up getting addicted to cigarettes for
think
a
about
little
how much
while.
money we fucking spend.
Yeah.
Like, it's disgusting. It's bad for you, and you spend so much goddamn money every week that it's ridiculous. And you know what? Fuck that.
Fuck that.
Fuck that. Check out our links down below.
Yeah. You want to break down the price, the whole price thing? All right, you buy a JUUL, $30 if you get it with no pods, none at all. Pack of pods. $20.
That's $50 in the hole you're at already.
$50. You buy this device. This is just the device that's right in
front of me. A little Panda, exactly.
Right in front of me. How much is it? $20?
$20.
$20 for that.
And a pack of sauce.
You buy a whole 30 milliliters of sauce, which for a JUUL, when you buy 4 pods, you get 2.8
2.8 for $20.
What is that?
Bullshit.
What is 2.8 times 10?
Fucking 28.
So you get 30 milliliters of juice for about $15. You spend $35, and guess what? You're not going to spend any more money for the next 2 months on that device.
No, sir. Or ma'am. It will last you as long as you'd like. And what's great is because this hit quality, yeah, man, 50 Nick will buzz the fuck out of you. But fuck it. When you hit on something like this, you're going to sit back in your seat and you won't be able to get back up. You won't be able to think straight. And you've only spent no money, which is beautiful.
Beautiful. It'll destroy you. You'll get a big ass buzz off of it. And it's cheap as shit.
Cheap as hell.
So, therefore, buy a different system.
Yes.
Check out our links in our bio.
There's like 5 links down there. I can't even keep up on it. With all the better systems you can get.
Check out any of our other videos, and you're going to find another system that'll work much better than a JUUL. It'll save your wallet. It will fucking save you.
Yeah.
Now,
it's bullshit.
Last thing I want to say. Or I got 2 things. I guess.
Oh, 2.
Number 1, littering.
Bullshit.
There's pods everywhere. We live in a college town.
State College, Pennsylvania, a.k.a. Penn State.
Yeah, so I guess we probably see a little exaggerated version of this from most other places. But they're fucking everywhere.
Literally everywhere. Worse than cigarette butts everywhere.
Yeah. And littering is such an issue. Plus, like where's all this plastic going? It's just
bullshit.
It's just going to the streets.
And what's the second thing you don't like?
Second thing is the stigma that it brings. JUULing itself has a stigma now, but it's also affecting the stigma of vapors as a whole. And since I'm a vapor, I care about this shit.
Kind of pisses me off.
It pisses me off. It makes you look stupid. It makes you look like a fucking frat boy. Like you're out there going to frat parties every night, just JUULing around, just fucking throwing your pods everywhere, just looking like a dumbass. That's all that and that's what it does. And what vaping is and what it should be a good thing. It should be. You should be able to commend people for vaping because they're out here.
They quit smoking.
Yeah, smoking, dip, anything like that. Just they're quitting. They're trying to get rid of a nicotine addiction, or at least make themselves a little bit healthier.
Exactly.
And what are we out here doing? Making those
everywhere.
people look bad.
Yes.
And it's just stupid. Just stop.
Now, on a bright note, giveaway time.
Giveaway time. So. You know what we're going to do, guys? Because we want you to quit smoking, and because we like you.
We're giving you one of these. A Vupu Panda. Now, we got it. You take your pick, whichever one you like, and it's based off of the comment that we think is the best.
Yeah. So, here's what we want you to do. It is based off of which comment we think is best. So, obviously, you have to comment.
You obviously must comment something awesome, something hilarious, maybe a true story about how you quit smoking so you can start vaping.
Anything, whatever touches us deep down in our soul the most. If it makes us cry laughing, if it makes us cry of happiness.
Exactly.
We're going to pick it, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sir.
Now, you've got as many chances as you want, so comment as many times as you want. Comment like 4 different things. One of them trying to make us laugh. One of us trying to, just
the best comment overall.
Yeah. So we're gonna pick that. Well, we need you to subscribe and we need you to like the video.
Exactly.
That's all we need you to do, guys.
And you'll get one of these brand new free. And I hope it's
we like you, and we know you're misguided, and you just want to quit JUULing. So
exactly. So do that, and you'll be set.
Alrighty.
And, even if you're not trying to get the giveaway, hit that subscribe, hit that like, and drop a comment down below because we love to hear from you guys. And until next time, boys and girls,
thanks for watching.
peace out.